Hey, how's it going? My name is TJ Barker. I'm a branch manager and mortgage originator with Ross Mortgage Corporation located in Fallston, Maryland. Today I want to discuss renovation loans with you. So now I'm sure you've all watched TV, right? You've watched the real estate shows where people are going in, they buy a house and they're like, oh, I want to fix it up and I want to flip it and I want to put this much money in it and I need to have all these updates done, and you're like, they're like buying the house for $200,000, I'm putting $75,000 in repairs, and you're like, oh my gosh, how are they doing that? Well, typically, they're utilizing what's called a renovation loan program. So there's a couple different renovation loan programs. We focus on two main ones here within Ross Mortgage Corporation. The first is called the Home Style Renovation Program, which is a conventional program, and the second is called the FHA 203K. So the biggest difference between the two is that with the Home Style, the conventional program, you can actually utilize that for some investment property financing and some work to be done. Where with the FHA, it is a primary resident only. Owner occupied, I should say. Fuck. Hey everybody, it's TJ Barker from Ross Mortgage Corporation. Today we want to go ahead and discuss renovation lending with you. Now, we've all watched the television shows, right, where someone's going out, they're searching for a house, they're like, hey, I want to buy it for $200,000, but we got to put $75,000 worth of work into it. And you're like, holy moly, how are they going to do all this? How are they going to afford all this? Who's just got $75,000 to $100,000 laying around? Well, chances are they do. They're utilizing typically a renovation loan. So there's two main types of renovation loans that we focus on here within Ross Mortgage Corporation. The first is called the Home Style, which is a conventional program. The second is the 203K, which is an FHA program. So there's tons of nuances with each program, certain things that you can do, certain things you can't do. The biggest difference between the two is that the conventional program you can utilize for investment properties, where with the FHA program, it has to be an owner-occupied property. So you can go ahead and have the work done to the home to upgrade it. You can use it for appliances, carpet, paint. You can have new heat put in. You can make sure that the home is safe to live in. Biggest issue, the biggest thing that we see with most people is no swimming pools, and you can't move any type of structural, anything structural. So if you have a structural wall, you're not taking that down. So there's a ton of information to be when it comes to renovation lending, what can be done, what can't be done, frankly, much more than we should go through on this quick video. So if you're thinking about purchasing a home and putting some money into it and you want to go ahead and finance those repairs, we'd love to speak with you. Ross Mortgage Corporation is one of the leading renovation lenders throughout the country. So please give us a call at 410-241-1622. Thank you very much. Look forward to speaking with you soon.